So, all right. So, Princess Naziena, kedu ka unu mere? What did I say you're supposed to respond to me? Kedu ka unu mere? Can you say, anyị dị mma?
Anyị ka mma.
No, anyị dị mma.
Anyị dị mma.
Daalụnụ. Okay. So, anyị ga-emegharị ihe anyị mere oge gara aga. I need a volunteer, somebody to tell me how to recite the Igbo alphabet. Achọrọ m onye ga-emere m ya. The Igbo alphabet. I need a volunteer. If you know how to, if you're going to do it, when I open it, I want you to do it. Don't feel shy. You will get it. So, anyị ga-emegharị ihe a na-akpọ Igbo alphabet. Okay, because some of you don't know it. Okay. So this is the Igbo alphabet here. And I need a volunteer. If you want to do it for me, raise your hand. If you want to try to recite the Igbo alphabet, I want you to raise your hand and recite and try. Just try your best. Okay? I want you to try. Kedu onye ga-emere anyị Igbo alphabet? Okay, I do it first, then after the person can do it. Mana achọrọ m ka onye ọbụla gee ntị. Onye ọbụla gee ntị. Gee ntị means listen. Onye ọbụla gee ntị means to listen. Okay, please. Achọrọ m ka ị gee ntị. All right, so we're gonna start to do A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, W. Aga m agụgharịkwa ahịrị nke mbụ. I'm going to repeat the first line again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W. The second line. Ahịrị nke abụọ, second line. R, R, W, W, H. Now, this is the first I. We have two I's. The first I, they are all in capital letter. The first I is A. The second one with the dot underneath is A. The first I with just one dot on top is A. The second I with a dot underneath is A. J. K. Wait. 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 Le. Me. Ne. You see the N with a hyphen on top or a dot. Ngo. Ngo. Mwe. Nye. O. That's the O. This O is O without a dot, okay? O. Now the O with a dot is O. O. Now going back again, the O without a dot is O. The O with a dot is O. P. Re. Se. She. Te. U, which is the U without a dot. U, the U with a dot is O. U without a dot is U. The U with a dot is O. V, we, ye, z. That's how you say the alphabet. So make sure that you go and review it and know it. Okay, I will post it because I want you to know how to say it. All right, let's go down. Now, we're also going to review the numbers. So can somebody try to say this alphabet? I need a volunteer who will try to say the alphabet. Come on, I need somebody to volunteer. Who will volunteer to say it? Okay, who is Zizi? All right, Zizi.
Otu. Abo.
Oh, no, we are talking about Zizi, the alphabet first, okay? We want to do the alphabet. I need somebody to do the alphabet for me. You want to do the alphabet, Zizi? Do you want to do it? Okay, Cheta or Dara? Ngwa, achọrọ m ka ị gụọrọ anyị alphabet.
A.
Well, chere. Oh, why is this not going up? Okay, ngwa. Ngwa bido.
A. B. Ch. D. E. F. G. W.
Good.
R.
What yours?
G.
Mm-hmm.
G.
Good.
H.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man. E.
A.
E.
Mm-hmm.
E.
A.
E.
Mm-hmm. Ngwan.
G.
No, J.
J.
Huh?
K.
K. Uh-huh.
K.
Wait.
Q.
No. Wait.
W.
No, it's okay. You're trying. You're getting there. Use your inner voice, your inner truth. Wait.
W.
No. Use the inner truth. Wait.
W.
Is it Dara or Cheta?
Cheta.
Cheta, okay, let's do it again. Wait.
W.
Okay, good. Dara. Ngwa, go ahead. This one. You see the mouse moving? Can you see my mouse moving? Ngwa, gini ka na-akpọ nka?
Q.
Kwe, good job.
Le.
Dal. Le.
Mo. Wait,
Me.
no.
No, me.
Ne.
Huh?
No.
Ngo.
No.
Ha.
Nwe.
Mwe.
Nwe.
Mm-hmm.
Nye.
O. Good. Keep going.
O.
Good. Oh, 1 second. Mixing. Okay. Okay. Ka.
O. K.
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 Huh?
Re.
Uh-huh.
Se.
Uh-huh.
She. T,
T.
T, U,
Mm-hmm.
O,
O.
O,
Mm-hmm.
V,
Mm-hmm.
W,
Where?
W,
Huh?
Y,
Huh?
Z.
Awesome. Biko ka anyị kọrọ nụ cheta aka o. Onye ọbụla kọrọ cheta aka. Daalụ cheta, daalụ, daalụ.
Amen.
Okay. All right, Zizi. Ready to do the numbers for us, Zizi. At least we have it 1 to 10, and then I'm gonna tell you something. Zizi ngwa gọrọ anyị ọnụọgụgụ ruo na iri.
Otu, abụọ,
Mhm.
atọ, anọ, ise, isii, asaa, asatọ, itoolu, iri.
Daalụ, Zizi, daalụ. Now we have iri na otu, which is, now some of you that are new, if you don't know how to say the numbers yet, let's see, it's written here. Otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, ise, isii, asaa, asatọ, itoolu, you can say itenani, iri. Now, once you know 1 to 10, you know you're going to, the rest is you plugging the numbers again. So 11 will be iri. Remember 10 is iri, right? 11. So 10, and then add it 1 to make it 11, right? So it's going to be iri na otu. Iri na abụọ. You start plugging in the numbers again. That's why it's very important. You have to know numbers 1 to 10. Lay your numbers 1 to 10. Otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, ise, isii, asaa, asatọ, itenani, iri. Okay? Know them. Once you know them. Now 11. Iri na. What's 1? Otu. 12. Iri na. Then what's 2? Abụọ. 13. Iri na atọ. 14. Iri na anọ. 15. Iri na ise. 16. Iri na isii. 17. Iri na asaa. 18. Iri na asatọ. Okay. 19. Iri na itoolu, or you can say iri na itenani. Some people say iri na itegete, whichever one you like. Now 20 will be what? Iri abụọ, which is 2 tens, 1 and 1. 1 10, 1 10, iri abụọ. Okay, that's 20, iri abụọ. Now, when you plug it like that, once you know that, now 21, iri abụọ na otu. You start plugging in 1 to 9 again. 21. Remember, 20 is what? Iri abụọ. 2 tens, iri abụọ. Now, you start plugging in 1 to 9 again. Iri abụọ, then you put the preposition na, should be in the middle. Iri abụọ na otu. Iri abụọ na abụọ. Iri abụọ na atọ. Iri abụọ na anọ. Iri abụọ na ise. You keep going and keep going and keep going. Okay, so that's how I do. Until you get to 30. 30 is what? Iri atọ. 10, 10, 10. Iri atọ. And you start plugging in the numbers 1 to 9 again. Iri atọ na otu. Iri atọ na abụọ. You keep doing that until you get to 9 again. You say iri atọ na itenani. 40 is what? Iri anọ. And then start plugging in 1 to 9 again. That is why you need to learn 1 to 10 first. Once you know that, then you know that 20 is what? Iri abụọ. 30 is what? Iri atọ. 40. Iri anọ. 50. Iri ise. 60. Iri isii. 70. Iri asaa. 80. Iri asatọ. 90. Iri itenani. 100 is narị. Don't say iri. No, iri. 100 is nare. 100 is nare. Okay. So once you get to nare, you start plugging in one to what again? Okay. Nare na. Otu. Nare na. Abo. Nare na. Ato. Nare na. Ano. Nare na. Ise. Nare na. Isi. Nare na. Asa. Nare na. Asato. Nare na. Itenane. Nare na. Iri. Nare na. Iri no otu. So you have to know this. You have to know your numbers at least. Learn from 10. You finish, you start learning from 1 to 20. Because you have to know these numbers to plug it in. You don't know them, when I ask you a question in number, you won't be able to answer. So you need to know that. Now, 200 is what? Nare. Nare. 100 is a nare. Now, when you get to, when you say 150, nare na iri, who will tell me what's 150? I'm not gonna say. Who knows if you know it? I want to my 150. Okay, cheta or dera. Kwa hagege gikoya.
Nari na ise.
Kada hagege ba hage.
Cheta.
Ahambo gene. Ahambo cheta.
Ahambo
Okay.
cheta.
Okay, cheta gene 150.
150 but nari na ise.
Cheta kuaria yozo.
Oh,
Think cheta.
nari na iri ise.
There you go. Nare na iri ise. Nare na iri ise. Nare na iri ise 150. Cheta gene 115.
115 but nari na na ise.
Awesome. Nare na iri na ise. So there are two different things. Don't say, when I say 150, it's nare na iri ise. Okutere ya. Anjo kwa ya siya, gene 115. Nare na iri na ise. Awesome. Dalo cheta. Okay. So now when you go to 200, it's nare abuo. 200 is nare abuo. Okay, nare abuo, which is 200, 100, nare abuo, 300, nare ato, 400, nare ano. Now, you finish, you get to nare. When I say 999, nare na iri, okay? Nare na iri itenane na itenane. Now, okay, when you get to 200, then when you go to 999, okay, that's when you say nari itenane na iri itenane na itenane. Then 1,000. Puku is 1,000. Some I see 3 people raising hand. Wait until there's time for you to ask question, okay? So puku 1,000. Puku na otu. Puku na abuo. So you need to know your 1 to 10 first, because it's always plugging in the number. All right. Now you pass puku, which is 1,000. 1 million is nde. 1 million is nde. Then you keep going. Nde na otu. Nde na abo. Nde na ato. Nde. So you need to know your numbers. Know 1 to 10 first, then 1 to 20. Then you know 100. Nare. 1,000. Puku. 1 million. Nde. 1 billion. Njeri. Just know them first, okay? Then uncountable. So I want you to know all the way to billion for now. So I will post it. Make sure you go over. Please, 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 please. All right. So I'm not gonna ask question, but I want us to use the next 25 minutes to ask questions. Now, you don't ask questions, I'm going to ask questions. I'll ask questions on the alphabet and on the numbers. Kedu onye nwere ajụjụ welie aka gị elu. Chinua or Chinedu. Gịnị bụ ajụjụ gị? Chinua or Chinedu, gịnị bụ ajụjụ gị?
Ahambo Chinua. By the
Okay.
way,
Chinua, ị nwere ajụjụ? Chinua, ị nwere ajụjụ?
Ahambo Chinua.
Do you
By the
have
way-
question?
Don't say about me. But Ahambo Chinua China and China Doom. By the way, what's
Okay, Chinua, do you have a question?
yeah?
Okay, I want you to say, after you say your name, I want you to say, Enwerem ajụjụ. Can you say that for me?
Yes. Ahambo Chinua and China Doom.
Enwerem.
Enwelem Ajuju.
Ngwa jụọ ajụjụ.
But
Before he
Let
answers
him
his
know.
question,
Chinedu, let you know.
Oh.
Ask question.
okay.
by the way, what's 168 in Igbo?
168. Who will answer that for Chinua? 168.
Wait.
Somebody knows it.
I'll try.
Okay. Kedu onye
Um,
na-achị ịza ya?
168.
Kedu aha gị?
bụ-
Kedu aha gị? Gịnị bụ aha gị?
My brother's helping me.
No. I want you to say his name. Gịnị bụ aha gị?
Oh.
Gịnị bụ aha gị?
Chinedu.
No, aha m bụ. Then you say your name.
Ahambo Chinedu.
Okay, Chinedu, ngwa zaa ya. Zaa ya means answer it then.
Okay. Okay. 168.
168, right?
Yeah, 168. Bo. Nari. Na. Isi.
No,
Nari.
Chinedu, back up. Chinedu, slow down. You know it. I need you to answer it. Ngwa, gịnị bụ 168?
168. Bo. Nari. Na. Isi. Na.
Mba, Chinedu,
Whoa,
that's not it.
wait.
Chinedu, that's not it.
Hold up. I forgot something. Nari na ili isi na asato.
Awesome.
Yay!
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, kedu onye ọzọ cheta ka ọ dara ị na-eweli aka elu? Ị nwere ajụjụ? Chinedu, ị nwere ajụjụ? Chinedu, ị nwere ajụjụ? Okay. All right. I'm gonna mute everybody because we're making noise.
Yeah.
When you're about to say something, I will unmute you. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Ị nwe ajụjụ? If you have a question, raise your hand. Kedu onye nwere ajụjụ? I need somebody. If you don't ask question, then I assume you know everything. Then I'll start asking you question. Zara, ị nwere ajụjụ? Zara. Okay, I'm going to unmute you, Zara. Ngwa, unmute yourself.
Ngwam ajụjụ Zara.
Enwere m, aha m bụ Zara. Enwere m ajụjụ.
Aha
Can
m
you
bụ Zara. Enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Ngwa jụọ ajụjụ.
So when you say 20, would it be iri abụọ?
Iri abụọ. Good, yeah.
Okay, and so, but if you said 12, would it be iri na abụọ?
Awesome, Zara. Yes.
Okay.
You got it.
Dalu.
Imela. So that's good. That's good. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Zizi. Ngwa Zizi, jụọ ajụjụ.
How do you
Zizi, you have to tell us your name.
Ahambo Chizitalu Awelum Ajuju?
Ngwa jụọ ajụjụ.
How do you say 1,000 in Igbo?
1,000 is puku. Or you can say otu puku. Can you say puku? Mabu otu puku.
Puku.
Yeah, puku is 1,000. Or you can say otu puku. Okay? Okay. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Okay, I'm going to call somebody's name and ask it. Okay. Ebuka, ị nwere ajụjụ? Ngwa Ebuka, go ahead and unmute yourself.
Aha m bụ Ebuka, enwere m ajụjụ.
Ebuka, ngwa jụọ ajụjụ.
How do you say 2050?
2050, okay? Remember, puku is 1,000, right? Now, when you say 2,000, which is two pukus, two puku, 1 and 1. So puku. So when you say 2, it's puku abo, because 2 is abo. So now, if it's 1,000, it's otu puku or puku. But if it's 2,000, then you say puku abo, just like 20. You say iri abo. Now, 2,000, what's the number again, Ebuka? 2050, right? Ebuka, you said 2050? That was the question?
Yes.
Okay. 2,000 is puku abo. Na iri ise. Puku abo na iri ise. Can you say that, Ebuka? Ebuka, I need you to say puku abo na iri ise.
Puku na abụọ iri
No,
na ise.
don't say na. Puku abo na iri ise. That's what I want you to say.
Puku abụọ na iri na ise.
No, don't say iri na ise. When you say puku abo na iri na ise, it means 2015. But your question, what you want us to say is 2050. That should not be now. So it's 2050 should be puku abo na iri ise. Don't say puku abo na iri na ise. That's 2015. But 2050 is puku abo na iri ise. But 2015 should be puku abo na iri na ise. You see, we have two na. But if it's 50, only one na. Okay? All right. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Okay, who will tell us what is 385? 385. Ịmara ya welie aka gị elu. 385. Kedu onye ma ya? 385. Kedu onye ma ihe? Onwe onye ma ihe with 385? Okay, Chisom. Okay, Chisom, unmute yourself. Get out 385.
385 bụ narị na iri asatọ
No. Pay attention.
abụọ.
Pay attention. Chisom, remember we said 300. We didn't say 100. 100 is in nari, but if it's 2 or 3, you're supposed to say it right. 385. So what is 300, Chisom?
Narị abụọ.
No. Nari abo is 200. What is 300? Gene what 3? Gene what 3, Chisom?
Abụọ.
No, abo is 2. Gene what 3? 3 bo ato. 3 bo ato. So now you have to say nari ato. So it's 385. Now I want you to complete it. Nariato. Go ahead.
Narị atọ.
What is 85?
Iri asatọ na ise.
Okay, so you're supposed to say nariato na iri asato na ise. Daalụ Chisom. Awesome. Don't forget that preposition. Nariato na iri asato na ise. So make sure you know your numbers. That's why if you don't know your numbers, if you don't know 3, that's why you keep telling me 2 is 3. So you have to learn your numbers at least 1 to 10 for now. And then when you finish, learn 1 to 20. Okay, Chisom? All right.
Okay.
Ndewo. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Chibusamma kenewa ajụjụ gị. Chibusamma ị na-eweli aka elu. Unmute yourself.
I don't have a question. I just wanted to answer the question that you want.
Okay, no problem. Daalụ. Who has a question? Kedu onye nwere ajụjụ? Kedu onye nwere ajụjụ? Kedu onye nwere ajụjụ? Onwe onye nwere ajụjụ? Okay, kedu onye ga-agwa anyị ihe bụ 1110? 1110. Kedu onye ma ya anụnụ? Kedu onye ma ya anụ? Okay. Sheta? Is it only Sheta and Dera in this class? No, let me ask another person. So no other person can tell us, okay, Cheta Ngwanu or Ralo. Okay, Cheta mba chere ka m jụọ Chibusamma. Chibusamma ngwa. Cheta is been answering the question. So Chibusamma, unmute yourself and answer the question. 1111. 1111.
Puku narị na iri abụọ.
No, I said 11. Well,
Iri atọ.
No, Chibusamma, start all over. Bidonishi. Say it again. 1111.
Puku na narị na iri atọ.
What is 11? Gonna be 11.
Iri abụọ.
No, you see what
10.
I told you? Know your numbers. What is 10, Chibusamma?
Iri.
Gonna be 1. Gonna be 1. Chibusamma, gonna be 1.
That's how I say it. That's how my mom told me to say it. Abụọ.
No? Do you start counting the number from above? What is 1? 1 bụ otu.
Ofu.
How can you forget it? You can't even forget the number 1, the number that starts a number. You
Ofu.
need to know it. Ofu, there you go. So 11 will be Irina Ofu. You know that? Not Irina Abo. Irina Abo is 12. Now I need you to say then, you got it, Puku na nari. Irina. So what you mean is Irina Otu, not Irina Abo, okay? Puku na nari Irina Otu. You got it, but you need to know your numbers. So you can say Irina Ofu, no problem. Otu and Ofu are the same. Good job. Okay. Who will tell us what is 599? 599. Who will tell us what it is? I'm going to lower all the hands. If you still want to tell us, you raise your hand. 599. What is it? Can I get one here 599? Okay, Dara. Since no other person can answer. Unmute yourself.
Oh, it's Cheta.
Osheta again of 599.
599, bro. Nare ise na itoolu.
Dalo, Sheta. Dalo. Or is it that's Dara or Cheta?
Cheta.
Or Cheta Dalo? Dalo. Okay, awesome. Okay, Onworonye nwere ajụjụ. I need you to ask me questions. It doesn't have to be what we did today. You can ask me a question that you wanted to ask me long time ago, or 2 days ago, or today. Anything, ask me a question. Or maybe Igbo phrases or a word you want to know how to say it in Igbo. Ask me questions, guys. Zara, in nwere ajụjụ?
Ahambu Zara in iri ajụjụ.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Okay.
Is Inari 100?
Yes.
Okay.
Then
Thank
what
you.
is 500 in Zara?
Inari ise.
There you go. What is 400?
Inari ano.
Good. What is 700?
Inari asa.
Good. What is puku? Puku.
10,000.
No, puku is 1,000.
Oh,
Pukiri is 10,000, okay?
okay.
But puku is 1,000. What's 2,000?
Puku abụọ.
You're doing a good job. Yeah,
Thank you.
that's it.
Daalụ.
Yeah. So it's good to know. Make sure you go over. I will post it, and I want everybody to go over everything, okay? Okay, everybody, please. Onwonye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ. Good job, Zara. Ebuka ị nwere ajụjụ, ngwa mute yourself.
How do you say, oh, aha m bụ Ebuka, enwere m ajụjụ.
Ngwa jụọ ọnụ ajụjụ.
How do you say be quiet?
Be quiet means mechie ọnụ. Mechie ọnụ. Be quiet. Okay? Mechie ọnụ. Okay? You want to say gente. Listen. Mechie ọnụ. If the person is making noise, you tell the person, kwụsị ime mkpọtụ. You can say, emezila mkpọtụ. Emezila mkpọtụ means stop making noise. Emezila mkpọtụ, stop making noise. Be quiet means mechie ọnụ. But don't say it in a rude way, Ebuka. Just politely. Mechie ọnụ. Zara, mechie ọnụ. Okay? You can say, Adako, mechie ọnụ. But don't say, if they're older than you, don't say that. Unless if you're joking, if you're playing with your friends, if you're playing with your siblings, if they're older than you, if you say it that way, that is being rude. So if you're playing, you don't have to say mature, you can say it in a polite way, in a respectful way, okay, Ebga? Mechituono. You can say mechituono. Don't say mechiono. If you say mechiono, it means, you're disrespecting that person and you're not supposed to say it to your senior. You can say it to your sibling that you're older than, okay? But don't say it in a rude way. Unless if the person is so annoying, you can say, mechiono, okay? If it's your senior, you say, biko mechiono. You can put biko there. Please, keep quiet, okay? But in a polite way, all right? Okay. Onwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Onye nwere ajụjụ? Okay, now, when I send this thing out, make sure that if you don't have phone, tell your parent to print it out. Then you can go over and listen to the recording. Go to Atlanta Igbo School YouTube channel and listen to the lesson we had today. And let your parent, if you don't have phone, to print it out. If you have phone, ask them that you must know how to print something out, or ask your parent to print it out. Go over. We're going to do Kahoot on this next week. We are doing Kahoot next week. So you gotta know your numbers. You have to do that. All right. Messiano. I want to hear everybody telling me cardio. Let me unmute everybody. Okay. Messiano. All right. Happy.